At long last, the very first official announcement regarding the Galaxy S26 series is finally here. Not just that, we have some other exciting details that reveal what Samsung is cooking for their 2026 flagship. While Galaxy Trifold is getting all the attention this week for all the right reasons, but today Galaxy S26 series take that back. So Samsung has officially dropped the first ever official trailer of the Exynos 2600 chip, and man oh man, this actually kinda goes hard. Refined at the core, optimized at every level to express the exceptional, then revealing the official name, which is indeed the Exynos 2600. For those who don't know, Exynos 2600 is going to be the first ever chip inside a phone with 2nm architecture. And based on the leaked benchmarks we have seen, it's actually looking very promising this year. Samsung didn't mention any dates on this trailer, so this is just the official announcement of the Exynos 2600. We're definitely going to see a lot more teasers like this in the coming weeks. Speaking of official, these might be the official wallpapers for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and what's exciting about this is that these may reveal the actual colors for the S26 Ultra model. Out of all these colors, I'm definitely very interested in this purple shade of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Judging from this wallpaper, it definitely looks pretty unique, and it could be the direct answer to the orange color of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, Exynos 2600 is not the only official comeback happening with the S26 series. There's one more thing. We'll talk about it right after this. Now, if you're using a Samsung phone, this is something you should definitely consider adding. This is the Ugreen FineTrack Smart Finder lineup made specifically for Samsung ecosystem. It comes in two versions, the slim card version, which is literally as thin as a coin. It's like a credit card, perfect for tracking your wallet. And the second one is the regular tag style finder, which is perfect for keys, backpacks, or luggage. These devices use Samsung Find apps, so you get access to live location plus a loud buzzer, so you never miss your valuables. The slim tracker is rechargeable, while the normal tag uses a replaceable battery. And honestly, they work so good with Samsung ecosystem. And guess what? Unlike other smart trackers, you can double press to ring your Samsung phone if you lose your phone instead. So if you're locked into Samsung ecosystem, these are the smartest, cleanest tracking accessories you can have. Slim for your wallet and tag for your keys. Definitely check out the link in the description and get in now. Alrighty, so Samsung is set to finally bring back Bixby in its best form with the Galaxy S26 series. Yes, it's very likely that Bixby could have its biggest upgrade ever, powered by Perplexity AI. So for normal tasks, Bixby will be fine, but for anything complex, it will utilize the power of Perplexity AI. Again, it's very similar to how ChatGPT works for Apple Intelligence. Again, it will be an extra option for those who want to use this instead of Google Gemini, which as we know is probably the best and leading the game right now in terms of AI assistance on phone. Also, Samsung has finally dropped the official unboxing and the best look at their one-of-a-kind Galaxy Z Trifold. I'm gonna quickly give you guys my thoughts on this. So design-wise, this is actually one of the most best-looking Samsung product in a long time. Like, they've actually really nailed it. It's on par with the tech inside the Fold 7 in terms of how the crease looks, as well as being extremely thin. This is an inward folding device, which means it goes from phone to proper tablet, which means unlike the Fold 7, you actually have the full tablet form factor, which is fully optimized for apps like Netflix to use that full screen. While I do think Huawei's implementation is cooler, this thing definitely has better durability because of inward folding, and it's using Samsung's best camera. So for the first generation tri-folding device, this is actually pretty unique. Let me know what you think about the tri-folding device in the comment section below. By the way, Galaxy Z Trifold will be available outside of South Korea, so you can get it in markets like China, UAE, Singapore, Taiwan, and eventually in the US as well. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts about everything in the comment section below. As always, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.